Let's prepare for the adobo. We will keep this all in one pan. Now we already arranged this, then we'll put the chicken. Any parts of the chicken you can use. So I have this chicken, then we'll put the other onions on top of it. Let's put it like this. It consists of onion, garlic, and ginger. Let's put the soy sauce. Then apple cider vinegar.
What is this? Vinegar?
Then I will put pepper. And I will put Pepsi. Yes, it's a Pepsi. For additional taste. And let's gonna add little water on it. Yes. And another special, red sugar. And you can see the complete measurement of the ingredients below, on the description below. And then now, let's boil it till the chicken becomes soft. Let's put medium fire on it, because it's meat. So it's not good to put high fire. Let's cover it. So if you don't have pan cover, it's not a problem. I have this white pan. Now it's half cooked, we can put the potato. Then my favorite chili. Let's cover it for a few minutes. And after that mga kabatak, mawawala ba naman ang ating nakabihas ng boiled eggs? No, it's good for our children. So let's put. Yan po. So let's just little mix it. So let's simmer pa mga kabatak para maluto yung potato and mas lumambot pa yung chicken. Kabatak, it's already cooked, so we can start the frying. So mga kabatak, I already heat oil, then we will start putting the chicken. Now it's frying mga kabatak, just for 3 to 5 minutes only. Yes po. Potato and egg is included, I mean. Then ilalagay po natin yung konting sabaw na natira. Just like this. Then it's done. So mga kabatak, ang bango na. Tikiman time na po.